this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox ping too high in 2026. The first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com and see if the servers are down, because generally that is when the pings might be high. You want to simply connect your device directly to your router with an Ethernet cable, and wired is going to be more stable and reduces ping. The other thing you want to try to do is restart your modem and your router, wait for 30-60 seconds, and then simply go ahead and turn it back on, which clears IP issues and network glitches. Also, close apps using internet like Netflix, Steam, Spotify, downloads, etc., and connect to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz. If you want to simply go ahead and change your DNS, go to settings and then change it to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, which is going to be Google DNS or the Cloudflare right over here. Also, enable quality of service in your router setting and prioritize gaming or your device. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and update your network drivers or even lower your graphic settings. I hope